Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect FIBO right here to cTrader. First go to cTrader.com and then we select right here brokers, scroll down, load more, where we will find right here FIBO. Then we select right here open account and then he will send us right here to this nice FIBO page. Then right now what we're going to do is click right here on open account and then the first important part starts from now. Because if you're creating an account, you need to fill in right here exactly the same email address that you are using right here on your cTrader application. So in my opinion, it's this email address right there. Then we go back, and if you're going further on FIBO, what you're going to do if you're creating a real trading account or a demo trading account, you need to select at platform type cTrader. Because if you're selecting cTrader and you go further and you create that trading account, he will automatically sync that account to cTrader. So once you did that and you go to cTrader again, you select right here on your account, you will see right here in this list that you can select FIBO from here. So after you did that, he will automatically sync and then you will find that account right in the top. So this is how you can connect FIBO right here to cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.